Top 4 cryptos to invest in and hold in 2023. That's what we're talking about today. Please note disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, it's for education purposes only. Roll the video, let's get it. So guys, we're starting with Benzinga.com, all right? A collective insanity has sprouted around Bitcoin over the past decade, and it's hard to predict whether the cryptocurrency will become the global reserve currency for a store or value as widely accepted as gold. Now, the thrill of riches or ruin leaves some investors wary, but others want to chase the chance for massive profits from investing in Bitcoin. The thrill of riches or ruin leaves some investors wary, but others want to chase the chance for massive profits from investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is certainly a revolutionary technology and is much less risky in 22 than it was in 2012. Now, after becoming legal tender in El Salvador in 2021, other countries may look to copy this move to attract innovation, while others might ban it entirely in the attempt to save their fiat currency or clear the way for a central bank digital currency. Despite the doom and gloom of the 2022 bear market, Bitcoin has solidified its spot in the global geopolitical climate. And in the 2020s, maybe the decade of massive adoption, this has led investors to wonder if Bitcoin is a good investment. The answer to this question varies depending on who is asking it. Now, moving on to Ethereum. Okay, links are still down below. Ethereum is the world's second biggest currency, a general leader across the board. It's attracted the most developers and offers the most decentralized application, which is dApps. And Ethereum is at the head of the pack when it comes to selling non-fungible tokens. All that means that people are actually using Ethereum a lot to stand out in a sea of thousands of cryptocurrencies. That is essential. It could also comfort investors who might be a bit skittish about the crypto market, but still want to give it a try. So in 2023, Ethereum could be the cryptocurrency that helps bring investors back to the cryptocurrency market. Another plus that could attract both cautious and aggressive investors is that Ethereum is on the way to getting even better. In the past, Ethereum, 3 biggest problems: high energy, transaction fees, and slow speed. If you've used Ethereum, you know that's true. The blockchain is in the middle of an upgrade project that addresses every single one of these issues. Now let's speak a little bit about XRP. What is the next step? So even so, the SEC lawsuit is likely to reach its conclusion in the first half of 2023. When it does, a Ripple-friendly outcome would send the XRP token skyrocketing, while a ruling in favor of the SEC argument would have the opposite effect. Now, in either case, this case will have a wide-ranging effect on the cryptocurrency market. Assuming that the lawsuit isn't settled before the final give falls, we're looking at a precedent-setting legal action here. That's exactly what Ripple wants and what the SEC has tried to avoid. The Ripple team is trying to establish a legal ruling that will place different cryptocurrencies under different legislation rules. Now, ideally, the legal framework would separate currency like tokens, such as Ripple, from investment securities. You'd buy and hold them expecting their value to rise over time like Bitcoin, but would arguably be an example. Bitcoin will be an example of security-style digital assets. This distinction is crucial to Ripple's defense. Okay, the SEC wants to treat all cryptocurrencies and securities from that point of view. The Ripple company broke the law when it raised its 1.3 billion XRP tokens between 2013 and 2020. Ripple claims that that token sale was properly managed according to the best information guidance available at the time, and that the token sales didn't qualify as an investment contract according to the 3-pronged Howey test. Last but not least, AVAX Avalanche. At Price Prediction Net, we predict the future of Avalanche being forecasted by applying deep artificial intelligence assisted technology, technical analysis on the past price data of Avalanche. We do our best to collect the maximum historical data for the AVAX coin. This is coming from priceprediction.net. Okay, the coin can actually include multiple parameters like past price, the market cap, Avalanche volume, and a few more. If you're looking to invest in digital currencies, want a good return on your investment, make sure to read the predictions for AVAX down here. All right, so we're looking at 2023, minimum price $25 all the way to $29 at the max, going on to 2032 where you're hitting $852. That's it from me, guys. Please be safe out there and do your own research. Hit that link down below. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.